First thing you do when you first put a boat in the water, you run it on the surface a little bit, get some maneuvers in, going ahead, going astern, checking your rudder, wagging your control surfaces. Now I'm venting the ballast tank. And again, you want to do this in shallow, friendly waters, because if it doesn't come up, you only have to wait for it. So it's normal submerged trim for this model with just a piece of the sail sticking out. Now I'm commanding a blow, and since this is a SAS system, it's taking air from the dry spaces in the subdriver and discharging the water in the discharging the air into the ballast tank, forcing the water out. And then once the sail broaches, the sail within the sail is a snorkel. It opens up, breaking the vacuum created in the dry spaces. All right, so the model's up to design surface water line, and now we can take it in deep water and have a good time. So here we are, we're in deep water. This is going to be our operating area. We're still in surface trim. I go dead in the water, and I command a vent that's typically your left stick all the way to the left. Vent open, the air in the ballast tank escapes out, and water displaces the air. We've destroyed the amount of weight. Well, actually, we've taken on the amount of weight to counter the displacement of the above waterline surfaces. So now I'm going to go ahead, set my stern planes, which are tended by an automatic angle keeper. And
finally,
there we are. This demonstrates the maneuverability of the model. And while I'm doing this, I'm playing with the stern planes, kind of dialing them into the sweet spot where I don't have to operate them too much. So all depth control now is being handled by the fairwater planes, which is right stick up and down, a typical assignment for elevator. So I'm planing up to the surface until I get the scope and I broach the sail. If I was on a real submarine, the diving officer would be slamming me in the back of the head with a coffee cup. So again, I'm playing with the stern planes until I got hands off for periscope depth.
Oh, it wasn't?
Now I'm going to straighten it out, come at the camera full, the flank bell. Here we are, all ahead. Now this is not as fast as it can go, but this is as fast as I can go and be comfortable. You don't want to slam the rudder when you go on speed like this. It'll heel over, and that'll give you a ship's control problem. But I'll go ahead and wag it a few times. You can see how it's rolling into the turns. That's a consequence of the sail. Now, since the boat is positively buoyant, I just killed my headway by going astern. Now I'm all stopped, and you do this periodically to make sure you're not taking on any significant water in the subdriver. If you were, you would have lost that slight reserve buoyancy we've got. You see the sail just broached there. So I know I'm good. We can continue playing here. And this is a hard over rudder. So you can see that's a pretty tight circle for the skipjack. Okay, I'm going to bring it over here and surface in front of the camera and thank Kevin for taking these shots. We're going to do a crash stop. I'm commanding a blow. As soon as the sail broached, the snorkel head valve opened, admitting air, busting the vacuum in the subdriver created when I first started blowing. I continue to blow until the model's at surface waterline. And there we are. Thank you, Kevin.